Hello friends, welcome back to the probability. Now here there is a question regarding probability. 4 cards are drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. That means from a pack of 52 cards, 4 cards are drawn randomly. Find the probability that number 1, they are a king, a queen, a jack and an ace. That means out of the 4 cards which have been drawn randomly, you have to see that they are at least one king, one queen, one jack and one ace. Second, there are 2 kings and there are 2 aces. The third probability, all are diamonds. The fourth probability, 2 are red and 2 are black. Next, number 5th, there is 1 card of each suit. And finally, there are 2 cards of clubs and 2 cards of diamonds. Now here friends, we need to start the problem. What the problem says that there are 4 cards have been drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. So now the solution, 4 cards are drawn from, that means randomly, from 52 cards. So the probability is 52 out 52 C4. That means these are the number of ways in which 4 cards can be drawn out of 52 cards. Now here friends, what exactly this 52 C4 means? Now 52 C4 means here that you need to multiply 52 in backward. You need to multiply 52 in backward, like 52 multiplied by 51 in multiplied by 50 multiplied by 49 divided by. Now why this 4? Why this only till 49? Because here it is written 4. So you have to go back till 4. Now this is 4. So this will be 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. This is what you mean by 52C4. 52C4. Fine. Now we are going to solve our actual problem. Now the 4 cards, I mean out of the 4 cards which are drawn, one is king, one is queen, one is jack and the last one is ace. So king, how many kings are there? There are 4 kings. So 4 out of 4 kings, first card, one card can be drawn out. Number 2. What is next? How many queen are there? There are 4 queens. So out of 4 queens, one card can be drawn randomly. Next is given jack. So there are 4 jack, 4 C1 and finally what? Ace. So there are 4 aces, 4 C1. Now here friends, it is written, and one thing you have to write, one thing you have to see, whenever odd is given, whenever or is given, you have to add the values, and whenever and is given, you have to multiply those values. So here in this case, and is given, so you have to multiply. So what is that? Therefore the required probability is what? Required probability is 4 cards. That means 4 C1. So this is, and you have to multiply by 4 C1 multiply by, for jack, 4 C1 multiply by aces. This is again 4 C1 divided by what? Divided by again the same, that is 52 C4. 52 C4. This is your answer. So you may have to, you want, if you want, you can go and calculate the answer. The answer is 9.45 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4. If not, you can just leave the problem till here also, it will do. Okay friends, next number 2. What is number 2? Number 2 are kings and 2 are aces. So kings are 4 C2 and 2 are aces. Aces are again 4 C2. So therefore required probability, what is required probability? Required probability will be yes, the numerator will be 4 C2 multiplied by, because it is and is given, therefore you have to multiply 4 C2 divided by 52C4. So your answer will be 1, this is 4C2, that means 6, multiply by 6 divided by 52C4, that means 270725. So the answer is 1.32 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4. Even you can solve it till here, will also do. Next, third, it's what is asked, all are diamonds. So what are diamonds? All are diamonds. So how many diamonds are there? There are 13 diamonds. 13 diamonds are there. So out of 13 you have to select any 4. So our required probability will be, friends, the problems regarding the probability are very easy. Only thing is that you need to formulate the answer. How you formulate the answer? So required probability is 13C4 divided by the same, out of 52 you have to select 4 cards. So this is 13C4. So your answer is 715 divided by the denominator will remain same, 270725. So your answer is 2.64 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3. Next, number 4, 2 are red and 2 are black. 2 are red and 2 are black. So how many reds are there? Reds are 13 reds plus 13, that means there are 26 reds. And how many number of blacks are there? Blacks are again the same, 13 black plus 13 blacks, that is 26. So out of this 26 you have to draw any 2 cards, and out of this 26 you have to draw any 2 cards. So your probability will be, your required probability in this case, in this particular sub unit, will be, probability will be 26C2. Again this is 2 are red and so you have to take multiplication, 26C2 divided by again the same denominator, that is 52C4. So the answer here comes out to be 0.39. Next, number 4, number 5, there is one card of each suit. There is one card of each suit. So in a pack of 52 cards, the number of suits are 13. 13 are the 13 cards are of each suits. The 13 cards are of each suits. So here the required probability will be, so required probability will be 13 cards of each suit. 13 out of 13, 1 each suit. Suit means, here suit means, I mean whatever the 4 spades are there, whatever 4 hearts are there, so out of that those are called as suits. So there are 13 cards of each suits. That means in all there are 4 types of suits, suits, and in every suit there are 13 cards. So 13C1 multiply by 13C1 multiply by 13C1, and finally the last card, that is 13C1 divided by 52C4. So this becomes, the answer is here 0.105. This is number 4. And finally number 5, there are 2 cards of clubs and 2 of diamonds. There are 2 of clubs and 2 of diamonds. So clubs, how many number of clubs are there? There are 13 clubs. So out of 13 you have to select any 2, and diamonds, again out of those 13 you have to select 13 diamonds cards, you have to select only 2 cards. So your required probability becomes, and write in short form, 13C2 multiplied by 13C2 divided by, the denominator will always remain same, because every time we have to draw 4 cards out of 52, out of the pack of 52. So this is 78 multiplied by 78 divided by 270725, this comes out to be 0.022. So friends, this is how the problem of probability is solved. Only thing is that what you need to see is what exactly does this mean that 52C4, that means 52 in the numerator you have to take backward 4 times. 52 multiplied by backward means 52 multiplied by 51 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 49 divided by 4 again the 4 times backward, that is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So this is what you mean by C, that is combination. I hope friends you might have understood this problem. So how we have solved, we have just seen that how many cards are there. I mean suit, I have told something about suit. So there are clubs, there are diamonds, there are hearts, there are spades. So there are in all 4 types of suits. So this is how the problem of probability is solved. I hope friends you might have understood the problem. Thank you for watching my video.